The countdown is on for the iPhone 16 launch, and Google is also getting ready for its event to reveal the Pixel 9. Apple fans are already excited about the new iPhone. A recent leak shows a video from Aaron Zolot's YouTube channel revealing the 5 colors of the iPhone 16. The video features dummy models of the iPhone 16, showing only the outside design, not the internal parts. If this leak is correct, the iPhone 16 might come in bright blue, green, white, black, and pink. This would be a big change from the softer colors of the iPhone 15 and earlier models. I think these bright colors look great and hope the leak is accurate, as they make the phones look more eye-catching. If true, Apple might be moving from a frosted glass look to a solid, opaque finish. A previous post by leaker Sonny Dixon supports the current leaks about the iPhone 16 colors, as they match the ones shown in the Zolot video. This suggests that both leaks might be real. However, there's a chance that both leakers were shown fake iPhone 16 models. The video also shows an action button, which might be added to all iPhone 16 models, not just the Pro versions. Additionally, there is a new button on the lower right side of the phone that is rumored to be for taking photos and videos. As guessed before, the iPhone 16 dummy units will have cameras stacked vertically. This setup might let the new iPhone record spatial video, which can be viewed using headsets like the Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest 3. The video also shows that the iPhone 16 screen is bigger now, going from 6.1 to 6.3 inches, with thinner bezels. This is a surprise, since earlier rumors mainly talked about a bigger screen for the iPhone 16 Pro. Luckily, we'll find out more next month when the phones are officially revealed. We won't have to wait long to see if Solid Tech has real iPhone 16 dummy devices, or if we've been misled by fakes. Meanwhile, ET News reports that Apple suppliers have greatly increased production of OLED panels for the iPhone 16, expecting the phone to launch in September. Samsung Display and LG Display started making these panels in June and have increased their production significantly over the past month. Apple is expecting to ship about 90 million iPhone 16 units this year. OLED panel production is expected to be about 30% higher than needed, reaching around 120 million panels by the end of the year. Samsung Display is projected to deliver about 80 million panels, while LG Display will provide around 43 million. Both companies are on track to meet these goals. The panels are being sent to Apple's assembly factories to prepare the iPhone 16 models for shipping. Apple usually announces new models in mid-September, with September 10th being a likely date for the announcement. The iPhone 16 lineup will include the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. The design will be similar to the iPhone 15 series, but the Pro models will be larger. The iPhone 16 Pro will have a 6.3-inch display, up from 6.1 inches, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max will have a 6.9-inch display, up from 6.7 inches. The regular iPhone 16 models will keep their current sizes, 6.1 inches for the iPhone 16 and 6.7 inches for the iPhone 16 Plus. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has shared an interesting theory about Apple's timeline. He and another source suggest that Apple might unveil the new iPhone models on Tuesday, September 10th. This date matches other reports saying that Apple will likely make the big announcement then. This day is important as it starts the whole process of launching the new phones. It looks like pre-orders for the new iPhone might start on Friday, September 13th, with the official sales launch on Friday, September 20th. 9to5Mac has also predicted these dates, making them seem more likely. Mark Gurman has also mentioned that Apple plans to focus on its intelligence features for the new iPhone series. While Apple is working hard on the iPhone 16 series, and it's expected that the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro will likely be among the top smartphones. Recent rumors suggest that the Pro versions of the iPhone 16 might have an edge over the cheaper models, because they could support Wi-Fi 7. According to Digitimes, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are expected to come with Wi-Fi 7, which offers faster speeds and better connectivity. To take full advantage of Wi-Fi 7, you'll need a top Wi-Fi 7 router at home. If you have one, you can enjoy the latest and fastest connectivity. Wi-Fi 7 allows data to be transmitted and received across 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands at the same time. This means users can expect faster speeds and a more reliable connection. While there have been rumors that the iPhone 16 Pro models will include Wi-Fi 7, it's worth noting that Samsung already offers Wi-Fi 7 on devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It makes sense for Apple to include this upgrade as well. It's a bit disappointing that Apple might only offer the faster Wi-Fi 7 on the more expensive Pro models. However, it's not surprising because Apple needs to give people reasons to pay more for the higher-priced models, beyond just better cameras and bigger screens. What do you expect from the new iPhone lineup? Do you like the colors? Let us know in the comments. For more updates, check out our channel, and I'll see you next time. Until then, take care.